Herc Rentals Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Herc Rentals is a major player in equipment rental, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just about construction gear. The surprising truth is that Herc Rentals offers everything from aerial lifts and earth-moving equipment to climate control units and industrial tools. Pricing depends heavily on the type of equipment, rental duration, and location. Small tools can start as low as per day, while larger machinery like forklifts or excavators may cost several $100s per day. You won't believe what's included. Herc provides delivery, maintenance and safety guidance with most rentals, which can save both time and unexpected repair costs. Weekly and monthly rates are usually discounted, making long-term rentals more economical. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on the daily rental cost. When you factor in delivery, support and reliability, Herc Rentals often offers better value than smaller local providers. Additionally, their online platform lets you check real-time availability, pricing and equipment specs before committing. In conclusion, Herc Rentals pricing is flexible and designed for a range of customers from DIY enthusiasts to large contractors. By understanding daily, weekly and monthly rates along with included services, you go from zero to pro in evaluating if Herc Rentals provides the right combination of equipment, support and cost efficiency for your project.